Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a superb application, logo maker, because most of the people having a problem to create their logos, their animated logos, their optimized logo. You can select the many more categories, like if your channel on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook is entertainment, food, any animal channel, discovery channel. You can select your font, your design, your favorite color. You can also make many more animated in a very fast way. You can check out the stylish font and our creativity. You can check it out many more options, 18,000 plus logos, design, photographic cooperation, and many more topics which you want to select is over here. So you can very easily select the any logo icon. You can select and edit your icon. This application is totally free. If your channel is for vlogging, if your channel is for art and creation, hack and DIY, you can select this application. This application having a really great reviews, and their reviews about of client, and you can select on many more other applications. Soon I will in on my channel I will share this application. I already installed this application and directly open this application. Today I am going to show you some little demo, and you can check it out. It's a new variety of food segment, science and technology segment. If your channel on YouTube is like fooding, restaurant and vlogging, you can select it. I'm going to select anyone so I can show you. It's simply things in over here, and many more other, and science and technology. You can check it out over here. Please check out, my internet is a little slow. And if you have any bakery, like this is a VIP, I really know things. Okay, if you have any bakery assignment, even you can change and add it, and you can sold out this logo from this application. From this application you can sold and buy, and you can complete your projects, you can complete your artwork. You can check it out. Its editing is really very easy. You can check the font. Whenever you touch, add it, remove the name. Yes, this is nice. I can change slogan here. I want to edit. You can change any explanation marks and any variety. um, okay, I'm not finding out any explanation marks over here. Just try it. Okay, I just going to show you this. Change the location. I want to change its color. I just don't like the color of this text. I just want to uh, uh, um, select some. By mistakenly it's deleted the color. Okay, whenever you can touch it, you can change its editing. You can edit it It's color it white so it's invisible over here. uh, this color is nice. Okay, now you can select any art. If you don't like the art, if your internet connection is good, you can select any art, but I really don't want to select it because I want to create for a bakery. I want to create for some sweets bakery, so I just really don't want to select any art. Even then you can also add on any sort of art over here, and many more options. You can check it out, the options over here. This option is also over here. You can download the options, you can select the category, and the education category is over here. You can check it out. Many more shapes available, alphabetic and numbering is also. Wow, this is really super cool for animated videos. This is really amazing work. Thanks for watching this. Hope you like this video, and whenever you market take your video